17-year-old misfire.
No?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Chris Trailer in Mayhem, a former championship driver. He just got beat by the rookie. Was only qualified. They're both going to go to round number 1. Misfire runs a 7:89. Mayhem runs an 8.32 second time. That's going to do it for Monster Truck qualifying, and now it's time to get down and dirty with the Mega. John Stanley, up to you.
All right, thanks, Matt, as Gary Sabella brings King Sling down on the inside lane. And alongside, on the outside here, is Berserker. Berserker with Brad Kovac. An easy win for King Sling. Gary Sabella from Norfolk, Virginia. Coming up with Dennis Anderson from Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. To be here tonight with King Sling, winning his first round of competition. Just showing off now to the staging lane on the inside down here. And it looks like that's Freedom Express in the near lane. Dave Zuzza. The Zuzza Electrical Freedom Express 1997 Chevy.
Oh my God!
A big win right there for Dave Zuzza. Big block Chevy horsepower, actually average 630 inches cubic inch. Getting the job done in that round. Jesse
I think I like that.
next here with Hellraiser.
Where's the other one?
No other one. Another one.
Jesse out of Vermont, out of the Green Mountain State with the green Blazer. This is a 1985 K5 Blazer.
And there's 2 songs left. So, oh, I hear.
I think it's,
And
yeah.
we're waiting the next truck. Looks like it's going to be the Slate Valley Automotive truck.
Oh,
Matt Benwick. Jesse hitting stage here. Here comes Matt Benwick with Airborne. Matt hailing out of Pittsfield, Massachusetts. The 1969 Ford F100. Here in the near lane. Truck normally driven by Joe Bishop. Goes away this weekend, so that's substitute role here. Matt Benwick going to give it a go. Trouble for Hellraiser. As Matt Benwick will get the win.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh, they're coming back around.
Jesse hitting Hellraiser here, the Blazer. Comes to a stop. Jesse's going to need an assist here, a helping hand. So the high demands of a high torque mega truck competition here. We have sideline Jesse. Looks like he's going to need a tow. The heavy-duty work of the Caterpillar equipment really on display here tonight. Once again, I want to thank Milton Cat for being presenting sponsor here this evening. 0% financing available in many categories of their machines. Milton Cat has many locations throughout the Northeast, New England, upstate New York. Local dealer in the Albany region is in Clifton Park, right off of Commerce Drive in Clifton Park. You go up the Northway, I-87, get off exit 10, so we can Flying Commerce Drive. For new, used, cats, rental equipment, they buy, they sell, they take in trades. They pay top dollar too for your trade with the purchase of new equipment. It's Milton Cat. So it looks like damage on the drive line here for the Hellraiser. Unfortunate start to the evening for Jesse Hinton. We'll take a look at that and see if by any chance repairs can be made here at the track tonight. Certainly he wants to come out with freestyle later on. If not, they'll try to make repairs overnight tomorrow morning. You can get back here for night number 2 tomorrow night. We'll do it all over again.
Tomorrow?
Here's the Monsters and Megans.
Can we? Please.
You got another $100?
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
He does. You want to pay?
Yeah, I literally would pay.
Okay.
That was
Next
$40.
four competitors here looks like it's the young driver from South Carolina, Jackson Cook, 13-year-old up-and-coming star with Aggravator in that far lane.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that one that was 30.
Here alongside is going to be like thunderstruck in the sunlight.
That one, not the other one.
Thunderstruck trying to catch up. That was a close one.